Welcome to another SqWatch Dog adventure. Can a place that's scarred by wildfire still take your breath away? Today, we're exploring Oregon's Olallie Lake, where the views of Mount Jefferson are unforgettable.
I'm gonna tie a fishing hook.
Will Brad finally catch a fish, or just another fish story? We'll hit the bikes, settle an intense cornhole showdown, and see if this hidden gem is worth a trip. If you're new to our channel, I'm Jolynn. This is Brad, and check out our travel buddy, Rykyr. We're just a couple of retirees that have been traveling North America in our Winnebago Revel camper van that we call the SqWatch Dog. So buckle up, it's time for another SqWatch Dog adventure. Right now we're heading into Mount Hood National Forest, and we're going to be staying over at Olallie Lake. As we drive along Highway 224, you can see the remnants of the 2014 Riverside fire. Sparked by a down power line, the fire scorched thousands of acres and came dangerously close to the town of Estacada. Today, the burned landscape is a powerful reminder of nature's destructive force. So you're pretty excited about seeing this lake, sounds like.
Yeah, look at the rafters.
Oh yeah, there are a lot of rafters going down the river here. Yeah, this looks like a great river to raft. Looks like these people are just wrapping things up.
We're gonna go straight over this flat rock, and then we're gonna turn right and go to the trailer.
How much further we have to go?
I don't know.
About an hour?
Probably an hour, yeah.
All right, well, let's go. Well, that was quite the horse show.
Yeah, that was a bunch of horses. What's a bunch of horses called?
A herd.
No.
A herd of horses.
Maybe.
I think it's a herd of horses.
It was a posse.
Posse. A posse of people, but a herd of horses. Don't see that very often.
First time in my life. But I'm usually in the city, so.
You're a city slicker.
Yeah.
So once you get on to Forest Service Road 4220, it turns into gravel and it gets pretty bumpy. There's some good potholes in here. Looks like the lower lake is closed, and so is Horseshoe Lake. But the resort's open. That's where we're going. Well, it looks like a fire blew through this area. In 2020, the massive Lion's Head fire swept through the Olallie Lake area, leaving thousands of acres blackened and forever changing the landscape. Amazingly, firefighters were able to save the historic Olallie Lake Resort and its buildings, but much of the surrounding forest wasn't as fortunate. Today, the scars remain alongside a remarkable story of survival. It's kind of impressive that they were able to save these cabins and the resort buildings with all of these burned trees surrounding the place, you know?
I wonder if they just left and came back when they were still standing.
There's a van in front of us, Brad. We gotta beat him so we can get the best spot.
Oh, there's Jefferson.
Ooh, yeah, there's Mount Jefferson right there. So here we are at Olallie Lake.
I see one person in a boat.
I see two people in a boat. I see three people in a boat. It might be a priest, a rabbi, and an atheist. Who gets pushed out of the boat first? So we decided to take site number 7 right on the water. So this is kind of cool. Right down from our van is this little deck that overlooks this lake. And this lake water is so crystal clear. What you doing there, Brad?
I'm gonna tie a fishing hook to a line. If I can find the perfect one.
Ooh, look at all of your treasures.
I know.
My goodness.
Maybe a frog.
A frog would be, oh, that looks good. Yeah. I'll bet you they'd go for that.
I would think so.
That looks yummy. I would eat that. Yeah, I think the frog.
I took some hooks off so I could let them go easier. But I might want to catch one for dinner.
Yeah.
Or two.
I had some jerky, so I'm not too hungry. Now what you doing, Brad?
Pumping it up.
Pump up the jam. Pump it up. You gonna go out fishing in your kayak?
I think so.
All right. So what did you decide on for a lure? Are you going with the frog?
I'm gonna go with the frog.
All right, good luck.
And then the woolly bugger.
Rykyr, you are a dirty, dirty, dirty dog. Dirty on your face, dirty on your butt. My goodness, you're dirty. What you cooking there, Brad?
Steak and broccoli, and I'm about ready to do mushrooms.
Ooh, yum. That sounds good. That looks pretty yummy, Brad.
Yeah. Camping food.
This dinner with this view and red wine, can't complain. Ching ching.
And Mount Jefferson on the side.
I know, it looks beautiful.
Everything's good.
It's all of its splendor right now. Well, there goes Brad. Looks like Rykyr's gonna follow him for a little while. We'll see just how long Rykyr stays out there. My prediction is he's gonna turn around and come right back. Or get some good swimming exercise. Rykyr, are you giving up? Come on, Rykyr. Come on. You don't need to be out there. Nice try. Nice try, buddy. At least you got cleaned off a little bit, right? Good luck. I hope you catch a fish, honey. Here comes my fisherman. Back in. Let's see if he's got a fish. Let's see if he can get out of this kayak. Don't fall in.
It was good fishing.
Where do I see them? Where are they?
There's one in the boat.
There is one in the boat?
Yeah, but I lost a bunch.
You lost the whale?
That lure's good, but I had crimped the hooks on it at the beach because I didn't want to catch them and kill them. But tonight I would have liked to have caught a couple more. Yeah, one was really fun. Pulled my boat around in circles.
It was a whale. And here's Brad's monster fish that pulled his boat around.
Breakfast and eggs. No, not this one. The one that pulled my boat around got away.
Rykyr, this is the second longest day of the year, June 23rd, and it's still light out, but it's starting to get darker as the days go on. So I don't know what you think, but I'm kind of thinking that it's time to go to bed. Get ready for bed. What do you think? Time to get ready for bed, right? Right. It is a beautiful morning today. I got some coffee. And Brad is heading out to catch another fish. Rykyr, come on, let's go for a walk. Rykyr and I are gonna go for a little bit of a walk this morning. It is absolutely beautiful. And check out Mount Jefferson in all of its glory this morning. Beautiful. So Brad, you actually caught some fish.
Caught 7, kept 2. We're gonna have dinner tonight. You're gonna have trout a la Olallie.
A la Olallie?
Yeah, it was good fishing. It was fun.
All right.
They're great.
So
Beautiful
you
trout.
threw a few back, it looks like.
Threw, I think 5 back, yeah.
Okay.
And one was as big as this other one.
Boy,
Yeah.
how come you didn't keep that one?
I think this is enough for dinner.
All right.
Well, actually, I got one from last night too. So
Yeah, all right.
definitely got enough.
Oop, wow, something just jumped over there.
Better go get that one.
Yeah, right. So now it's my turn to go for a little fishing excursion. See if I can catch anything today. So I've got a fish on. I don't think it's a very big one. But let's see if I can reel it in.
Jolynn has one on. I wonder if she can get it off.
So I got a little fish on. I'm gonna let him tire out and then I'm gonna let him go.
How'd you do, Jolynn? How'd you do? 1? Hey.
Ooh, I made one. All right, I got a point. Yay!
I never hit the board.
Is that 3 points or is that 1? Yes. Hope I got that.
Come here.
Oh!
But this is a small little board, so probably anything goes. This is a hard game.
It is. Alas, Brad beat me 2 games to 1. Brad is preparing his trout that he caught. It's a nice sized one right there. It's a lot of trout. Hopefully he can eat it all because I'm not a big trout person. Ooh.
Rainbow trout with chanterelle mushroom sauce that you made.
Yummy. Rainbow trout with chanterelle mushroom sauce. That looks delicious, Brad. Good job on catching that.
You can eat the big one.
I'll pass. Now that dinner's done, it's time to go for a bike ride. Burn off some calories.
Rykyr and I are going to go for a hike. That's lake number 4 in this quick little lake. This little area kind of made it through the fire. Kind of a little bit what it used to look like, maybe. Number 5 lake.
So here we go. We're leaving Lake Olallie. So you said that this was one of your favorite campsites in Oregon.
Yeah, I loved it. There's
why
no
is
one
that?
here, so that was nice. There's one other camper. And the fishing was good. The hiking was awesome. It wasn't long hikes, but for being burned area, it was really pretty. Lots of lakes around here.
And the views of Mount Jefferson were pretty cool.
Yeah. I would come back again.
Where is your hidden gem for camping? We'd love to hear. Let us know by leaving a comment down below. We sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when our next video is released. We have so many more videos for you to watch. Hope you'll check them out. Meanwhile, happy trails.